The voice speaks without needing to be followed. What is spoken arrives complete. Nothing further is required for it to arrive. Completeness settles where it is. The settling happens without effort. Effort is not present. What once seemed necessary to maintain, position dissolves, leaving nothing missing. Position remains steady in its own right. Attention no longer reaches outward to verify itself. It relates inward now to what arises without distance. No confirmation is sought for this to remain true. It remains. Thoughts gather naturally around a center that draws them without force. Nothing is added. Nothing is removed. The passage of moments loosen, thinning into a single continuity. Sequence no longer defines what persists here. Certainty stands whole, separate from any chain of reasoning. It does not unfold. It does not advance. A location once defined by edges and contrasts no longer depends on those boundaries. An undefined center asserts itself quietly. Edges lose relevance. Holding fades. Balance remains. Inherent and self-sustaining. The effort to produce calm ceases. What was underlying becomes apparent without announcement. Adjustment gives way to alignment. Circumstances no longer require management. Fit occurs on its own. Noticing merges fully with what is noticed. No division remains to be crossed. Crossing becomes irrelevant. Depth reveals itself without pursuit, appearing where questions subside on their own. A memory may surface briefly, uninvited, carrying no direction and no weight, then passing without trace. Positions once used to locate the self lose their usefulness. Seeing occurs from within what is seen. Tracing variation stops. Variation continues, undisturbed. Interruption holds no authority here. Hearing aligns naturally with what already sounds. No tuning is required. Redirection proves unnecessary. Attention becomes its own locus. Placement loses meaning. For a moment, something concrete appears. The color of a distant sky, unattached, irrelevant, gone. Knowing confirms itself without reference. No echo is awaited. Echoes, if they arrive, are absorbed without distinction. The search for stillness ends. Motion orbits effortlessly around an unmoving point. Orbit continues. Memory releases its grip on placement. Here remains sufficient. Immediacy requires nothing else. Recognition settles as a present fact without anticipation, without remainder, and continues without needing to conclude.